Hello. I had few jobs today, and one of them was close to TIG welding carbon steel. It's a kind of modification. Some wages, I don't know for what, but I need to weld additional piece of metal, carbon steel. I use for this purpose 2.4mm wire, 195 amps, because of the thickness of the metal. And previously I have more delicate job. It was a stainless steel. It's a holders for some doors. I don't know for what doors, but for some, in the maybe in wagons or something. And it's a stainless steel. I use 90 amps and 1.6 millimeters. 1.6 millimeters wire. So to focus on both sides. Thickness of the metal is about 2 millimeters. Thank you.